Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss about the agents of pollination. First of all, you all be knowing what is pollination. Pollination is the transference of pollen onto the stigma of the same flower or to different flower, or in the same flower one flower to different flower. Okay? That is called geitonogamy, and the pollination which pollinates the same flower in the plant, that is called self pollination, and from one flower to another flower of the different plant is called cross pollination. So, we will now discuss about the agents of pollination. Students, this is China rose. Many flowers are pollinated by insects. The insects flowering plants and the flower pollinated by insects is called entomophily. These flowers, you will find that these are very attractive, very colorful, and if they are not colorful, they are if white, then they will secrete a nectar, they will have very good smell, so that the insects can attract. There must be something to attract the insects, no? So, these are very colorful, having colorful petals. So, in China rose, Hibiscus rosaceae of Rosaceae family are pollinated by insects. Second flower which is being pollinated by insect is jasmine. In Hindi it is called belly flower, jasmine. Jasmine is very white, very ordinary looking flower, but it secretes very good smell, okay? And it belongs to Oleaceae family. Due to the smell of this flower, insects get attracted and pollinates it. It enters into the flower by the nectar. It wants to have the nectar which is secreted by the flower, and during the course it goes into the flower and pollinates it. Another agent of pollination is wind, and that is called anemophily. Means pollination done by wind is anemophily. Most of the grasses family you will find that this is Oryza sativa, paddy plant, and the spikelets of a spike, you will find that these are very dusty in nature, pollens are very dusty in nature, and as the wind blows in the cropland area, it releases, and it is very small and releases in millions, and powder. That powder is get deposited on the stigma of female flower and is pollinated. This is maize, Zea maize of Gramineae family. The male flower is called spadix, that releases, and that occurs at the top of the maize plant, releases its pollen, and this is style. The hairy part you are looking here, silken hairy part, these are called style, and having stigma at the end of the style, and where spadix releases its pollen and hence pollinates it. So, this is the finest example of anemophily. Here some of the agents such as birds also take part in pollination. In Bignonia, this flower is large, and this is hummingbird, which is trying to come inside the flower. Sometimes it also finds a shelter here, and the pollination by birds is known as ornithophily. There are other agents of pollination also. Pollination by water, hydrophily. One of the best example is Vallisneria. Vallisneria plant is dioecious in nature, and it is also known as ribbon weed. Means female plant is different than male plant. Male plant releases its flower that is very small and can float on the water, comes to the female flower and pollinates it. As soon as it is pollinated, then female flower rolls back into the bottom of the pond. This is all about pollination, agents of pollination. Thank you.